What if every single morning while you are still sleeping, your computer is already sending 10 cold emails to potential clients completely on its own? No copy pasting, no typing, no forgetting. And after it's done, it sends you a full report on Telegram telling you exactly who get the email, how many were sent, and when the next bit runs. I actually built this. It is live. It is running right now. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build it step by step from zero. But here's the thing. Stay till end because I will show you the one mistake that will make your emails get flags as spam and ruin your entire campaign. Most people make this mistake and they do not even know it. Hey everyone, my name is Tariq. I run Smart AI Workspace, an AI automation agency that helps product distributors save time and grow faster by automating their daily business tasks. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how I built a cold email system that fires automatically every morning 10 a.m., pulls 10 fresh leads from Google Sheet, build a personalized email for each one, sends it through Gmail, update the sheet so we never email the same person twice, and then reports back to me on Telegram with a full summary. Everything is built inside n8n, free, open source, and incredibly powerful. Let us get into it. Before we start building, let me show you the big picture. This workflow has 9 nodes, and here's what each one does. Schedule trigger fires every morning at 10 a.m. automatically. The Google Sheets node reads all rows with the status pending from your suppliers tracking separate sheet. Limit to 10 rows, a code node that caps the list at 10 leads per day. Build email. Personalize the subject line and body with each supplier's name. And then we use loop over items, sends emails one by one, bit sizes one. And then we use Gmail node, sends the actual cold email, update separate sheet, change status to email sent so we never double email them. Summary code node builds a fully campaign report with all suppliers' name. A Telegram node sends the daily report directly to your phone. Before we touch it, and for this automation, we have to set up a clean Google Sheet like this, or like supplier name, website URL, email, and phone number, if status and date. The status will be two option, pending or email sent. For the date, it will automatically update by n8n. And now let's create a new workflow. Now let's add our first node, schedule trigger. For schedule trigger, we can select in here once in a day, or it's run automatically, or twice, once in an hour. For now, we will run it once in a day. Which time it will run? 8 a.m. and it will run automatically. Now let's execute this step. Now you can see our schedule trigger is working. For the second node, we have to connect our Google Sheet with n8n. For that, we have to add a Google Sheet node, and the operation will be get rows, and in here we have to connect our credential, and the resource will be sheet within document. Operation will be get rows, and in here we can select our lead database. Like I will select this one, and we can select the sheet. I will select this e-commerce lead. Now you can see it will automatically find it, and in here we have to add a filter. The filter will be which column we add filter. We add the status column for the filter. In here we tell n8n those leads that the status is pending, it will grab it automatically. In here we have to type pending and then execute. Now you can see it grab 14 leads, that all in here that we have 14 leads, it grab all of them, and now it's ready to go for the next step. And now let's add a code node that we just need 10 email of this lead sheet or separate sheet. We just need 10 emails. For that we have to filter them in code node. We will add a code node, code in JavaScript. In this code node we have to add some sort of JSON coding that it will automatically filter them. Just keep 10 recent emails that the status is pending, and the rest will be ignored. Now you can see we just grab 10 emails that you can see it start from 2, and in here it's 10 emails that we grab it from our database, and now you can see 10 items. For the next node we have to generate an email that we will send automatically for our clients or for our lead. For that we have to add another code node, also the JavaScript, and in here also also I paste this code of JavaScript that I write by ChatGPT. You can also easily generate it by ChatGPT, telling the ChatGPT that I need this code node for generating email. It will automatically generate. Now we can hit execute step. Now you can see it's all organized, and you can see email to Tariq Usmani. It's test email that you can see in here. We add the test. Also, here's the full email that you can read it, and also in the last it add our contact information, that from which email or signature of our email. It's add automatically. For the next step, we will add a loop node by clicking on plus button. We will add this loop over item that it will automatically send one by one to each email. You can see here's 10 items, but we need to send them one by one, and we need this loop node. The bit size, it will send one email in a time. Now you can see it's go to loop item because the one item is sent to loop, and in here in loop option we will add another we will add a Gmail trigger, and the operation will be send a message. And in here you can see we can select our credential. Resource will be message. The operation will be sent to who we want to send. In here we can grab this email to and leave it in here. You can see it will send automatically to this email, and also we can grab our subject that generated by the code node. We will grab it and leave it in here. You can see I want to save your 2 hours every single day. This is the subject. We can also grab our body and leave it in here. One thing more that we have to select it in here, we don't select the HTML. We have to select the text because it will organize our email in email format. Now we can see, let's check it. You can see this our full email, this my signature also, and you can see all the email is organized. Now we will execute step. You can see our first email is sent, and in here when we check it, you can see this email is sent right now. It's sent recently, and now we have to update our Google Sheet. The status changed to email sent. We will add another Google Sheet. The operation will be update in row. In here we can select our exact document or Google Sheet. In here also the sheet. In here we will map it manually, that find the exact column or the exact row. In here we will map it to row number and come back to our first Google Sheet node, grab this one and leave it in here. You can see this is that email that we sent. It's number 2. Also in here it's number 2. We don't have to fill all these columns. We just have to fill the status column to email sent. And also for the date, we will add the same date that this workflow is running. For that we have to write $now, and for formatting them .format, and you can see it's the exact format, the exact date that we send our email. Now we will execute this step. You can see it's updated in our sheet. Look, this one, the status sent, also the exact date added in here. Also for the next option, we have to grab this one and connect it in here. You can see it will send another email. Now for the next step, we have to add another summary code node. This code also generated by ChatGPT that you can easily generate it. It will make a summary from this one, and it will automatically send to our Telegram that notify us, and let's run it, that we see it's working or not. Let us run it live right now. I am going to hit execute, and we will watch every node fire in real time. Schedule trigger fires, Google Sheet pulls pending rows, code node limits to 10, email is built with supplier name, loop starts, Gmail sends email, sheet updates to email send, loop repeat for next lead. After all done, Telegram message arrives on your phone. And this is our workflow for today. If you want to publish it, or if you want to run it automatically, we just click on publish button. In here I will choose the version 0.11. This is the version. We can write any version that we want, and in here we click on publish button. Now you can see it's running every day on 8 a.m. It will automatically run the workflow, and it will filter the emails, grab 10 email from this this bunch of data. It will make a organized email for each company, and it will automatically send one by one for each company, and then it will make a summary of this run, and it will automatically send to my Telegram. And that is it. Every single morning at 8 a.m. while you are doing other things, this system is quietly sending 10 personalized email, updating your sheet, and reporting back to you on your Telegram. This is the exact same system I'm running right now for Smart AI Workspace. If you want this workflow JSON file so you can import it directly into n8n, drop a comment below saying workflow and I will send it to you. If this video saved you time, smash the like button, and it genuinely helps channel grow. Subscribe if you want to more n8n automation tutorial like this every week. I'm Tariq Usmani from Smart AI Workspace. I will see you in the next one.